To show that this is a line, not a paragraph, or if you want to show this as a paragraph, then simply click on this paragraph symbol here and it will be assigned as a paragraph. Now if you want it to be a line, then simply press shift and then hit enter. Now this symbol is representing a line, so this is a line, not a paragraph. Now if I wanted to add a paragraph here, for example, this is a paragraph, so this is a paragraph, and now if I hit just enter, so there's another paragraph here which is continuing. This is let's say another paragraph. This is another paragraph. Now as you can see, the space between two paragraphs is different from the space between a line and a paragraph. And another thing you can see is whenever I give a space, it is being represented with a dot, and then if I give a double space here, now it is being represented with a double dot. Sometimes when we do not turn on our paragraph option here and see a blue underline there, we think that what can be wrong. But if you have turned on the paragraph option, from these two dots you'll understand that you have given an extra space. That is why Word is showing this blue underline here to fix it. Now if I remove that, it is done. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you very much for watching.